Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to get Monzo phone insurance. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're wondering how to exactly get Monzo's phone insurance here, well, Monzo doesn't sell standalone phone insurance anymore. So instead, they package it directly into their top tier account upgrade called Monzo Max. Now, for £70 a month, you get a comprehensive worldwide mobile phone insurance provided by Assurant, which covers you for theft, loss, and accidental damage like cracked screens and a mechanical breakdown for devices worth up to like £2,000. Now, in this case, if you want to protect your phone through your banking app here, so let's just say you already have the app installed, you have an account already with Monzo, how do you get started with it? So obviously, like what I said before, need to have a premium subscription on Monzo first in order for you to access this. So in this case, you want to go and open up the mobile app. So open up the app and you want to tap your profile usually at the top section of the screen, and you want to swipe to your account tab. Now you want to go and just open your main dashboard where you manage your standard account features. Now from there, you just want to look for the section labeled as plans or upgrades if you haven't upgraded your plan yet to a Monzo Max tier. So just make sure to choose the standard max plan for like £17 a month for it's just for your a month if it's just for your phone. So or the max family option for like £22 if I'm not mistaken, so a month if you want to include your partner and kids. So from then on, you just need to confirm that you meet the baseline requirements to get approved by their insurance partner. So as Assurant, you must be a UK resident between the ages of 18 to 69, and the phone itself must be legally owned by you. So from then on, you just need to review their policies and hit on confirm. And in this case, your first monthly fee will be instantly deducted from your balance, and your worldwide phone insurance kicks in the exact second your account upgrades. So yeah, so that's how you actually upgrade or use or get the Monzo phone insurance. Now, if you want to get assistance or you have further questions regarding about it, now this is directly on their support page. You could also contact them on the following portals here. By the way, again, this is just from their official website. You can call the following numbers, but it's best to visit their official website and the support page to get better assistance. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.